Before you start typing angrily in the comments, yes, I know this is supposed to be an announcement video, but I'm just going to do this quickly first. I was going to do it but first but I saw this video, so I just dropped it quickly to do this video. This guy basically says that is trying to make the point that Connie is a gem human hybrid. Basically, long story short, his first point was that Rose Quartz knew that she'd have to give up her physical being so that Steven could exist and she'd become half of him. And he says that because she knows that it's a smoking gun evidence that there are more half gem, half human hybrids than just Steven. Well, what I think to this is Garnet can see the future, so she probably told Rose that she had to give up her being so that Steven could exist if she wanted Steven. Or she already knew it because she could be a very smart gem. We really don't know much about her, so that could be very possible. While I doubt it, and I do think that Garnet told her about it because she can see branching paths in the future. And the reason why I think that's more credible than Rose being smart is because Rose is a quartz. All quartzes are made for the sole purpose of being a warrior, so they do not need to be too smart, and are not made too smart. So, that's why I think Garnet told her. So it's not smoking gun evidence, but it could be hinting at it in the future. Another point he makes is that Garnet told Steven's father in one episode that you need to have a body of pure light with a gem at the center of it. Now, Garnet is a being within the Steven universe. She is not infallible. If this was the creator of Steven universe telling us that only gems can fuse, or at least part gems can fuse with gems, or the part gems, but no fully humans can fuse, then that would be smoking gun evidence to say that Connie was at least part gem. But we do not hear that from a maker of Steven universe, at least not yet. And like I said, Garnet is a being within the cartoon universe, so she is not infallible. She is very fallible and can make mistakes. So nothing she says is smoking gun, but it does. It is a bit odd that they established that. Also, if Connie really was part gem, she would have to have a gem. Otherwise, she wouldn't be part gem wherever she'd be fully human. Because for anybody to be part gem, they need a gem somewhere on their body that creates the light that makes the gem's body. And when two gems fuse, which you can see just searching YouTube, gem fusion dances, you will find all of them that they've done so far. And when that happens, the gems on all the gems involved will glow. And here we see the first time Steven and Connie fuse. The only glow we see is coming from Steven's gem, so that means that Connie cannot have a gem. Also, when the two gems fuse, the fusion's gem will be visible. Both gems will be visible, but we only see Steven's gem here. And then he jumps to the conclusion that first he says that Connie likes this book where a girl who was a witch but didn't know she was a witch at first, and found out she was a witch while she was trying to save her one-eyed father from an evil person, you know, basic, you know, and he said because she dressed up as the witch, that mean that didn't, you know she was a witch at first. Basically mean that he's taking that as it means that Connie, you know, is a gem, but she doesn't know she's a gem. Now, and like I said, she cannot have a gem, otherwise it would have glowed when her and Steve fused. So that basically means she cannot be a gem. But it would be kind of odd to like just have Steven dress up as the female, would it not? And it would make a lot more sense to have Connie dress up as a girl and Steven dress up as a male Falcon. And yes, Steven has cross-dressed in the past, but I don't really think Connie would want to be the Eagle sidekick. So just her dressing up as a character doesn't prove anything. And then he makes the assumption, because anything that he said here is solid and it is infallible, he then went on to try and figure out who her ancestor was. Now, I'm gonna guess here that he was gonna say the this diamond. I think that might be blue diamond. I don't know, you know, what each one of the diamonds look like. And really, the only similarity between those two is the nose. And I'm not going to watch any further because it's just like there's no reason for me to watch any further. None of his points that he's brought up are, you know, actual points that you know, mean anything. And I've just like disproven easily, unscripted. And if he does say that she's the ancestor of that diamond, just because they have a nose that looks similar, then you know this guy really does not know what he's talking about. It's a nose. Yes, you can have your father's nose, but a nose is not concrete evidence for somebody being your parent. Like, I might have a nose that's the same as like Robert Downey Jr. Does that mean I'm his son? No, it means I have a nose like Robert Downey Jr.'s. I don't actually have a nose that looks like Robert Downey Jr. so far I know. That's just an example. Yeah, so this video is just like, you know, and nothing he said has persuaded me that Connie could even... Well, in fact, he's disproving his own point by using an image. Just by one image. That one image there, where Connie does not have a gem that is glowing, that just completely disproves his entire argument. And he doesn't even try to explain that, he just ignores it. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.